Hey lovelies, so this is an airdrop project called SLIX. SLIX is a DePin Airdrop project, and it means a decentralized physical infrastructure network project that empowers users to monetize their unused internet bandwidth through a browser extension, earning SLIX Points, utilizing its proprietary model context protocol. So this is just what SOLIX all about. It's like your node pay, your layer edged, your grass and the likes. All you need to do is register via the link I'll be dropping in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment of this video, and to take you to the website, and you just need to run your node every 24 hours. It is that simple. This is a very solid project. It is called SOLIX. So I'm going to take you through the sign up process right now. And like I dropped on the Telegram channel yesterday, I listed apps that you should have if you are mining Testnet project or DePin project or Web3 projects. If you are not on the Telegram channel, kindly join by the link in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. So let's begin. Once you are here, it's going to bring you here. You enter your email address, you enter your password, you confirm your password. So I'm going to do all that right now. Once you are through entering your password and confirming your password, and also entering your email, you come here, you click on agree, and you verify that you are human. So I'm just going to do that, and when you click on verify, wait for it to show success just like this before you click on continue. Basically signed up for SOLIX. So you can say it's, if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading. I also hunt for airdrop that are good, that are not Telegram airdrop projects. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks from time to time. I also share my culinary tutorials and so much more. So yes, this is that channel you want to subscribe to. So you can see that this is counting right now. So if you come here, you just need to come down here and click on start earning. So once you click on start earning, it's going to require you to log in and to enter your email address. So I'm just going to open this in my Kiwi browser so that I can run the node. I can run it every 24 hours. So you just need to come and activate it every 24 hours. So once you are here like this, just click on these three signs and make sure it is on desktop view. Yes, so it makes work easier. After you have successfully logged in just like this, you are going to be seeing your referral link here. So you copy it and invite your friend. This is not a Telegram project, this is a DePin project, and I think you should start investing your time on it. You copy your referral code, then you do all the tags, you follow them on X, you join Discord, you also complete the social media tags, and you see the points you're going to be earning. So every 24 hours, make sure just keep it running and keep the node running, and then you are going to be earning points. So these are the things you're going to be earning. Yes, so that's just all you need to do for now. And when there are more updates about SOLIX DePin projects, I'm going to share them on the Telegram channel and also on YouTube as a video. So that is all for me for now. See you shortly in another video. Bye for now.